Wende paka. Yoro kita kirato gikambuka. Kenya ntarasionde eni meru tigamwira nende yeri yana naincho. Na wende kamwire. Ngati ngamama ngokera ntemumero ganchoka kumama kaere. Kirato gikambuka. Kenya ntarasionde eni meru tigamwira nende yeri yana naincho. Na wende kamwire. Ngati ngamama ningokera ntemumero ganchoka kumama kaere.
Magosherwa na korero. Oninde momero edeni bodio ngemero ndeya eria na nancho Osherwa na korero oninde momero edeni bodio ngemero ndeya eria na nancho
Wapima na toda
Swada hivi Jio muziki jamani Swada Amero beto Neto bende telere Antonia beto Kinya wibo goshanera Neto Kinya antova bede Kara yana mogambo Ite
Nebo ya tokare ninde Kinya ninke akolo angao ke rante momero no kama marenge Asante Rimba ruiro dongi Aten kaulo angao ke rante momero No gancho mama kaire non to kwedra to momero ne motorere kwedra to amero ne kedarimo Asante
our leaders present, viongozi wote, Her Excellency, my newly sworn in Deputy Governor of Meru, Wakili Linda Keome. Nasikia watu wakisema Mutuma Linda, nikasikia mwingine ameongeza Mutuma Linda Meru. Watu wakaitikia wakisema tujenge pamoja. Mutuma Linda Meru. Mutuma Linda Meru. Asante viongozi wote, my former colleagues, deputy governors, the chair Meru County Parliamentary Caucus, Mheshimiwa Ridekeri, and other members of parliament in absentia. The Meru County Assembly, led by our own brother and a great leader, Mheshimiwa Ayubu Solomon Budi, viongozi wote, clergy, the county commissioner and the security team, korona kuruba Meru baraba tumete kidharimo kiki idhira kirea ntuko ya narua. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Ndawa Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asante. Before I give a speech, I first want to congratulate my deputy governor. Come, I congratulate you before these men and women and before the estate, before the camera, and wish you all the best and God's blessings, that the tears that the deputy governors cried in this land will never be repeated again in Meru, in Jesus' name. I wish you well, my deputy governor. I also want to call upon my dear wife and the first lady to come and wave at this crowd. Mama Make, come and wave at the crowd. I go. No, Moringereiro, wave. Asante. Regayante to nyingi. Asante. Now, mbitekerie ine ndome my official speech. Ndome my official speech and then twarie manto yaire ya dhatu tuite turume gantukara Wakili Linda atobwethiretie no ntubago Kongo ira kitharimo kia ntuko enarua. Asante. Asante. Honorable guests, I've already acknowledged the protocols. Ladies and
Je, unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting and Business, School of Engineering, School of ICT and Computer Science, School of Education, School of Cosmetology, Caregiver Training, Driving courses na zinginezo. Wanafunzi wetu wamekubalika kufanya mtihani wa NEC, SIDAC na ule wa NITA. Tunajivunia vilabu na jamii za wanafunzi zenye msisimko zinazosaidia kukuza vipaji vyako.